How to fix Facebook Messenger can't deliver user unavailable problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So sometimes this problem occurs due to server issues or internet issues, but this can also occur if the person you are trying to message has deactivated your account or has blocked you. If the reason is any of these two, then there is no way you can message this person on Facebook Messenger from that ID. But you can create a new ID and text them using that. So if the problem is with server or any other problem, you just have to go to settings, then apps, then Facebook, then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.